I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?
Yeah, I said that these window coverings suck. That was
I'm sorry, but I can't help you with that right now.
That's okay, I wasn't asking for help. First thing we're going to do is install this window covering that came with it. This will be the first time I tried to install it. Well, it only took me a minute or so to install this, but it wasn't easy. I don't know who manufactured this, but I mean, it's really thick. It's probably good for insulation, but it wasn't fun to install. I don't know where the previous owners got this, or if they came with it. I bought this second hand from someone that owned it for 3 months. 3 months. Okay, let's try a side one now. Alright, let's see what we got here. I felt magnets on this, but not sure. This is the other side. I'm not sure if they stick very well. Let's see, we're going to open it this time, because last time I didn't open it, and it was a disaster. There's a D on it for drivers. And I feel the magnets right there. I guess they do work. I don't want to say these suck, but they're not very good.
I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?
Yeah, I said that these window coverings suck. That was
I'm sorry, but I can't help you with that right now.
That's okay, I wasn't asking for help. I was just making a comment that these windows coverings are difficult to install. And I said they suck. Alright, thanks for now. See you later.